Right then, let's just set up your settings. So go to the burger menu in the top left there. It says Open Model/Preferences in the top left. And let's just go to App Settings there, towards the bottom of that menu. I always turn autosave on. Minutes between save I've put quite low to something like 2. Language English, and make sure your default template says decimal millimeters. And you can close that. Now drawing tools down the left hand side here. This here, line tool, will draw a straight line. So always in SketchUp start in the origin. See the 3 axes, you've got the blue, green and red. Origin is the starting point. If you click once, pull along that line, you'll see the length in millimeters down the bottom there increase as you pull and decrease as you push back. Okay, you can also now type. So I've clicked once, I pull along, I'm going to type in 2, 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then millimeters, mm, and I press enter. That has drawn a 2000 millimeter long line. And it allows me to carry on drawing. So I don't need to click again, I can carry on. I'm going to type in, I'm going to pull along the red axis, I'm going to type in 2, 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then mm for millimeters, and press enter. That's drawn another 2000 millimeters line. I'm going to do the same, except I don't need to type this time. I'm just going to go back to the red axis, making sure that my line is green, therefore on the axis. And I'm going to go back to the start, making sure you find the end point. Click, I've drawn a rectangular shape there. Whenever you're drawing with the line tool, unless you want an angle, always start on the axis. Yes, it looks distorted because it draws in perspective, so the vanishing point's at the top of the screen. Just make sure all your lines are on an axis. Red, green, blue for vertical. To draw, you click once, you can then type your dimensions, 3000 millimeters, they appear at the bottom right. As soon as you move your mouse, it'll change your dimensions. There we have 3000 millimeters. So just get used to using the line tool. There we go.